During one of my trainings in one of the organizations, we're talking about effective recruitment. And one of the questions that came up was, what should you hire? And the question was between hiring competence versus hiring personality. Because when you see today, you find that when you're looking at vacancies, you find that it includes both the competence and the personality. So they would say the person that we want to hire should have the following qualifications and should have the following experience, and that's competence. And on the other part, it says the person should have the following desired personal attributes, and then they list the attributes. So which means when you look at in hiring today, you're looking at both competence and personality. Now the question is, between the two, what is the priority? Now, so this is a question that we were asking to say, let's look at case number one, where we're saying, case number one, she said, should you hire someone with competence, but the personality does not fit? Or should you look at case number two, where you're saying, should you be interested in hiring personality when competence does not fit? Now, the reason why we had this question and this debate was the thinking that which is easier, to hire someone who has the competence but doesn't have the personality, and you need to train him to change the personality or the behavior to fit, or to hire someone who has the right personality but you need to train competence. So the question is, between building skills or competence and transforming personality, between the two, which is easier? Which is easier between the two? And that was the question that we're asking. Which is easier between the two? Should you hire competence and train personality and transform personality? Or should you hire personality and train the skills and competence?